Hello, my name is Andrew Flushy. I'm a Virginia traffic attorney. One thing you need to understand when you're shopping for an attorney for your traffic or misdemeanor case in Virginia is not to believe published lawyer success rates. They mislead consumers and they're not the number that you need to be looking at for an attorney. I see many of my competitors and colleagues advertising things like 90% of reckless driving cases dismissed or reduced in the month of July. What does that really mean? I guess that means that 90% of the reckless driving cases they handled in that given time period were not found guilty of reckless driving. But does that really mean that it's going to be a good outcome for your case? Absolutely not. They have to precede these success rates with this mandatory disclaimer that says that every case depends on the facts of your case, past cases don't predict future success, etc. Now that's not just fluff from the regulators at the state bar. That really means something. It's really important for you as a consumer to understand what that means. Cases in court are not a game of chance. We're not talking about the odds of success on a blackjack table in Vegas where we could count cards and we can run it through a computer and see what your odds of winning are going to be. We're talking about a very nuanced case where there are specific facts, your driving record, your very attorney play into what's actually going to happen with your case in court. There's many reasons why these success rates are simply misleading for you, and that's the biggest one, is that it's not a game of chance. And so just because an attorney has gotten 90% of their cases reduced or dismissed does not mean at all, for any circumstance, that yours is likely to fall in that 90% group. For one, you don't know why that 10% didn't get dismissed or reduced. Is it because the attorney didn't show up to court? Is it because they had really bad driving records? Is it because their speeds were super high? But more importantly, you don't know if your case fits in that 10%. Maybe your case is a super high speed case exactly like that 10% that did not get dismissed or reduced. And the attorney might not tell you that. That's just one reason why lawyer success rates are simply misleading. You have no idea where your case fits. Attorneys do, but I guarantee that they're probably not going to tell you that. They just publish that they have this great success rate and so you should hire them. The more important number you need to be looking at is what clients say about the attorneys. Look online for positive, real client reviews at sites like Google, sites like avo.com, and find out what clients have said. If clients have said the attorney did a good job, responded to their phone calls promptly, answered their emails quickly, and of course at the end of the day got a good result for them. That's how you can tell the hallmark of a good attorney. If you just see in the attorney's literature saying they get great dismissal rates, that doesn't answer the question of whether or not they're going to do good on your case and provide top-notch client service.